have to call.
Oh, Brian, my alarm. Alarm.
Good morning, my angel. God has created solely to perfect and complete my existence.
Stop teasing.
Come on, come on. I'm not teasing you, but as soon as I'm teasing you, tell me about teasing, tell me about teasing. Wait, don't tell me I woke you up.
Before Uncle, you need to know that for the past 2 months that I've met you, you've been my alarm.
I'm so sorry, my been your kinja koso. You know, listen. Ever since I met you, I think about you day and night.
Oh, really?
Oh, come on, come on. You don't want to stoop so low to lie to you, right? Let me even tell you. I dreamt about you.
And what did you dream of?
I cannot tell you now. If I start, it wouldn't end. My worry, I'll tell you everything.
Okay, I know you can't wait to see me.
Of course, I cannot wait to see you. If it happens, oh my God, it'll be the best day of my entire life. It will be memorable. It will be remarkable. In fact, it would forever be in my calendar.
How now?
For anniversary. You don't want to know what I went through, right? It took me 2 months of constantly and consistently writing you your DM before your first response. And that day, I was happy. It felt like it was my birthday. I was just, it was, the happiness was so contagious. Everybody around me could laugh and knew that something great happened to me.
And
then, another 2 months to agree to see me at an eatery at least. I must say to you, you're the most beautiful girl I've ever seen, even in pictures. When you walked in, oh my God, it was like an angel who was clothed in diamond.
you are too sweet-mouthed, Brian.
I'm not sweet-mouthing you, I'm just stating facts, facts upon facts. Huh? And today, Uwagba, that's why I'm motivating me. I mean, you agreed to visit me. How do you want me to feel like I'm related? I'm the happiest man in the world. Right? This is bigger than Nigeria's Independence Day.
My Tommy, I can't wait to be at your place too.
Oh. Alright, so 3 p.m. later today, right? Oh, come on, take your time. Take your time. I mean, anybody who deserves you has to be patient. Because you were patiently created. So, before then, what would you be doing?
Oh, gym. That's nice. I'm heading to the gym myself. That shows how much we are in sync.
Okay, the one that's the gym came over to any of you.
I be you want to come on bodybuilders here. Huh? Could the man want to my body shape pass? To my jack on way. I was just joking, Jerry. I trust you.
Oh, better.
So after gym, right?
Well, I'm gonna do some house chores and rest a bit, then get to visit you later. first.
Okay.
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 So, sorry, Jerry, not you. Chloe, don't disturb me. But all right then. I'll get to talk to you later.
Okay. I'll see you.
Bye. Kiara. Tini, ilode, èwo làbòsí.
Eléyìí ò kì í ṣọ̀rọ̀ àbòsí. Eléyìí ò ń ṣọ̀rọ̀ àbòsí. Bọ̀bọ́ yìí ló jí ẹ lórí bed. Ó lọ fọnu. Ó padà wá. In fact, ó tún lọ wẹ̀. Ó wá múra. Ẹ dẹ̀ ṣì wà lórí fóònù náà. Ṣé fẹ́ fìfẹ́ pa wá ni?
Ìwọ ni kó dókun ẹ̀mí ẹ̀ mú kó má kú.
Ìyẹn mi. Kì í má kú.
Of course, everybody can be stone-hearted like you.
Hey, listen to yourself. Tó bá ní ta ló yẹ kó wà stone-hearted jù, ìwọ ni.
I know where you're driving at.
I know you know where I'm driving at. And you know I'm just looking out for you. You know of your several heartbreaks. You know.
I know. Tí ẹ ṣì bá dànù, èèyàn máa ń tún gùn ni. Àti pé tá bá dijú pé kẹ́ni búburú fi kọjá, tí èèyàn rere máa fi kọjá, àní mọ̀.
Oh, Dao. No problem. It is your life. But it seems like he's different though.
Just say it with your full chest. Yes. It's special. There's something different about him. And there's no harm in, taking a risk.
Hello, risk taker. Can we go?
Oh, shit. Chief advice. How are you? Please, Joe. Right at your back, baby.
Mama, Jack,
Maybe.
I know a road that leads to destruction. I know a road that leads to death. Do it. I know a road that leads to destruction. I know a road that leads to death.
Madam, ẹnu food tutorial yìí náà ló ṣì wà.
I'm telling you.
Pẹ̀lẹ́ o, ìyàwó ilé.
Èmi nìyẹn o, ìyàwó ta.
Jọ̀ọ́, jẹ́ kí n béèrè question kan lọ́wọ́ ẹ. Being the first time tó ń visit ọkùnrin, ṣó make sense kó tún máa dáná fún?
Tí ẹ máa ronú bí obìnrin tó máa lọlé ọkọ ń jọkùn.
Ó mọ̀ páwọ̀ ò ní brain. Òun la fi ní ká béèrè question, má bínú jọ̀ọ́.
So many things is wrong with it. In fact, so much pẹ̀lú ẹ̀.
Enlighten me.
A 28-year-old lady is visiting a 32-year-old guy. Ó wá ń béèrè pé ṣó máa dáná fún jọ. Ṣó mọ̀ pé dating at this age and time is not for fun. It's for serious business. Láì ṣe ọmọ secondary school àbí àwọn 18 to 20 years old.
Má bínú ọ̀rẹ́ mi, ó mọ̀ páwọ̀ ò gbọ́ nǹkankan. Àárín nǹkankan. Àmọ́ ẹni tí etí wa ti di. So what are you making for him?
All right. Take a guess.
Garnish noodles.
Babe. Oh, mama, di mommy èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀. Anyways, I'm making poundo and ẹ̀fọ́ ẹlẹ́mi 21.
Babe, from the sound of this, a bit in permission, me tell you bye.
Láti wá gbé fàánù dání àbí wo. Abeg. 3 is a crowd. Edilemu.
I know 3 is a crowd. Ṣó máa wá gba ọjà lọ ni.
God, abeg. Tó bá jẹ́ pé òun fẹ́ mi bá mi rìn pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí mo ti ń sọ látàárọ̀, you would know that this guy is different.
It's different. Ó dáa, ẹ ṣáà má gba breakfast ìbò. Ìyẹn kókó.
Kò wá sẹ́bọ̀.
Kí ni show tí mo fẹ́ wò yìí?
Èmi mọ̀ kẹtẹrí ẹ̀ náà ló ṣe jáde kúrò.
Ìwọ ló mọ ẹnu ẹ ló wà yẹn.
Wo ó ti ẹ̀dá tó dé ó rí pé mo ti dá gbogbo inú lérú I don't even know what outfit to put on. Ṣé wàá fẹ́ máa fi mí ṣe yẹ̀yẹ́ ni? You know when it comes to things like this, I don't know. Wait, what? Oh my God! You got this for me?
Yes, baby girl.
So, èmi ló lọ bá ra nǹkan tó dágbére fún mi. Oh, baby girl.
Mo ṣe sọ pé òun jáde, you know, your date and whatever. Mo lọ sọ Instagram. Mo dẹ̀ search fáwọn èèyàn tó máa ń ṣe ready to wear. Okay. And then I found Adetutu apparel. Wow. On Instagram. She
so
has
fast.
Lovely stuff. Thanks.
Oh, thank you, my darling girl.
And the cocoa.
What's the cocoa?
This is the cocoa.
Ìwọ ọmọ yìí máa báyé jẹ́, ó máa bà mí jẹ́.
This is called a lounge wear.
Okay.
Ṣùgbọ́n as we know, pé òun lọ fún weekend, you know. Máa fún ẹ láwọn tips kan.
Okay.
Sorry, tó bá ti sóúnjẹ tán, you know. After gisting, wàá lọ sí bathroom.
Okay.
Wàá shower. Tó bá shower tán, wàá wá lo perfume Gucci tó rà last weekend. This one, to be precise, ele. Òun ló máa lọ wá mú dání.
Sex talk 101.
Tó bá ti lò tán, wàá wá wọ lounge wear yìí. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Hey, God.
Ní tilẹ̀ ń tolúwa.
God.
Kò sí ọkùnrin tó máa rí ẹ tó wọ́rọ̀ aṣọ báyìí with this your pretty face pẹ̀lú perfume tó fún sára ẹ.
God.
Tí ò ní fọ ẹ sí à. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Má kọ́ mi kankan.
Máa kọ́ ẹ.
Máa kọ́ ẹ. Ṣé báwo kò tó tẹ̀yìn yá?
See, this weekend is for you, so mo ra oríṣiríṣi nǹkan so that wàá lè wọ all through the weekend.
Tí n bá ti wá dé, one good turn deserves another. Èmi náà ṣe kíni, máa matchmaking.
Wúwo àti tani, mi ò ṣe matchmaking o. My motto is stay weekend.
Ẹ jẹ́ ìjà abẹ́ gọ́gọ́gọ́ cobwebs.
Ní kíni cobwebs wo? Sórí iṣẹ́ tí vibrator mi ṣe. Kò sí nǹkan tẹ́nibọ̀dì lè ṣe.
Ó ṣe wá máa lọ yàrá ẹ̀ tó bá ti lọ rán ní vibrator. Wá máa lọ. Ó ṣe you've done so well.
Aṣọ yìí, o ní láti ti size ẹ̀ up. Mo mọ nǹkan tó fit ẹ.
Before
perfect size.
Before.
You know, and you know what red stands for?
What? Love.
Danger.
It speaks love, Ọ̀gbẹ́ni.
Danger. I want you to look dangerous. So dress up for me. See you soon.
Hi, Khloe. Thank you so much. What else? Okay. Another clothes. Ọmọ yìí. Hi, so far. Thank you so much, darling. Jesus. This is so thoughtful. Do I look?
Wow! You look take away.
Really?
Oh my God, baby girl, you look graciously beautiful.
You can say that
Tí
again.
o bá kí n ṣe pé obìnrin ni mí and I don't swing, mo bá fọ́ ẹ. I know, but let me on a serious note. Tí Brian bá rí ẹ, you will not be able to resist you, I promise you.
Oh, thank you so much for this beautiful dress once again.
O ṣe lọ gbé speaker ìwọ ní kinní kan. Ṣé bó ti tó ṣe ní na
Kí ni yín ní kẹ́ni ṣe mí jàre? Wo, jẹ́ kí n sọ fún ẹ, ó ti fẹ́ pè mí pa.
Kò gbọ́dọ̀ má pè ẹ́ pa. Bọ̀bọ́ yẹn ti ready fún ẹ. Wo tó bá dẹ̀ ti wọ̀n ẹ́ tó bá ti débẹ̀ kó lọ máa ṣe strong get or hard to get. Wo tó bá gbé fún ẹ kó gbé padà fún ni.
Gàrí, kí ló gbé wá kí ló gbé pa. Ṣé ní gbogbo àwọn nǹkan burúkú tó kàn mí alẹ́yìn o? Alẹ́yìn o.
Kí ni máa ṣe bí angel ń bẹ̀? Wo bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe mọ̀ yìí ẹ̀ níyì. Alẹ́ rẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Ó wà lára ẹ̀.
Wọ́n fi for me. Can you feel it? Ó yá jẹ́ kí n sí ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Má wọrí.
A ní jẹ́ kí n sí ẹyẹ tàbí ò jẹ́ kẹ́nìkan wá take care.
Ó ṣe
Ó yá ìṣó níbẹ̀. See my baby girl. Come on.
Unbelievable.
I know a road that leads to death.
Hey, baby. Oh, very good, very good. Shori bito today, eh? Where I see left, right? Then come straight to row 3 and stop at house 20. Okay, cool. I can't wait to see you, baby. All right. Mwah. Yes! I got it! All right, so welcome to my very Very little abode.
Oh. Okay. But wait, I heard a dog barking earlier.
Yes, I have a dog, but it's chained.
Because I have phobia for dogs.
We have phobia for dogs? I'm sorry, let me get it.
No, don't.
I got you right there.
You did.
Anyways, you're welcome, and I needed
Thank
to
you
sit, so
so
let me get you something to drink. What drink or what?
No. I might be a stranger to your house, but I am not a stranger to you. So I love to see my kitchen.
Oh, your kitchen. I remember this kitchen line. Oh, so for me, continue. Jerry, for me. I remember. Okay, but before then, I need you to just relax, take a shower, and...
No. Let me just see my kitchen.
Let's go.
Thank you.
This way. Go this way. Go. Keep going. Take your left. Right. Nice. That's it. This is your long-awaited kitchen.
Well, it's nice.
I know, and this is your efo, tomatoes, pepper, bomo, ejakika, everything.
Oh, see, try. You really done well.
Thank you.
Husband material, 1 million yet.
Thank you. I'm humble. No, you like it, right?
Of course, liking is an understatement. I love it. And okay, so where's the meat or the chicken that you got?
The meat's in the fridge.
Oh,
you can
wait.
get it.
Let me just get it. So by the time
That's
I'm
the
done.
This is the kind of love that I've been waiting for. This is the kind of love that I've been waiting for.
Babe,
Yeah, what is that?
you know I like you.
Of course I know.
Doing this with you makes me so happy. I really do hope you won't jilt.
What are you talking about? Who would have you unjailed? Huh?
Really?
You see, when I found you on Facebook, I knew you were the one for me. You know, and that's why I went all out to have you. And now you're here. I won't lose you.
Really?
I love you with every fiber of my being.
Oh, I love you too.
Oh, come on, what are you doing? Stop it. You're crazy.
I know, right?
This is the kind of love that I've been waiting for. Oh, this is the kind of love that I've been waiting for. But you really be our coming. But you really be our coming. This is the kind of love that I've been waiting for. This is the kind of love that I've been waiting for.
I'm just wondering, where have you been? Why am I just meeting you?
I do not understand you.
You are beautiful and you can cook.
So, is that you complimenting my food?
Of course. This food you're eating is so delicious.
Well, thank you so much for the compliment.
Why are you thanking me? Molojedo, thank me. You look so nice. How does she say?
You know. But then, truth is, if you do not fuck up, you get mouthless.
Why are you sounding like that? Who will have you and still fuck up and mess up with you? I want to search you. You're so beautiful, you're intelligent. Babambari, what's wrong? Just say, man. This is giving everything you should give.
Wow.
I swear to God.
I like the sound of that. Lest I forget, I observed something.
What's that?
I didn't get to see your picture and that of your deceased parents. May God rest their soul. Ma Binu, I don't mean to hurt you or something. I just...
About my deceased parents, when I lost them, I was psychologically not okay. I was down, and my therapist advised that I stay off site at their pictures. And yeah. But about my own pictures, I'm just not a fan. I'm not a fan of having pictures in the house, so it wasn't like a big deal.
Well, I must say your therapist is actually intelligent because, of course, it would help you more. So that aside, now that you have a baby girl who likes to take pictures, to do Snap, and to do TikTok videos, how do we go about that? Because you need to
My
be...
love, that is not a problem. I can assure you, you and I now own this house. So
Okay.
we can take pictures, put on the wall, in the rooms, sitting rooms, everywhere, corridor, passage. I mean,
I like the sound of that, you and I. Trust me, it's so good to be here with you. I love you.
I love you much more, you know that.
Can you stop staring? Èwo ló ṣì gan-an. Mo dẹ̀ rẹ́rìn látẹ̀kọ̀. Ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ ń sọ nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ.
Mo ń bọ̀ jẹ́ kí n rẹ́rìn tán
Pẹ̀lú òṣì ẹ̀ dákẹ́. Ó jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀. Ọ̀dẹ̀ tó bá ti rẹ́rìn òṣì ẹ̀ tán kò jẹ́ kí n mọ̀.
Mo ti rẹ́rìn tán.
Wo bí mo ṣe débẹ̀ nǹkan tí mo expect kan ni mo bá o. Mo rò pé àwọn bọ̀bọ̀ tó jẹ́ pé tó bá ti ṣẹ̀kan tán yẹn wọ́n máa change attitude ni. But no, this one was just all over me even after the whole scenario.
Ẹ̀kan báwo? Gist me now. Is it long or short? Ṣé ó mọ̀ lo? Ṣé wà romantic? Gist me now.
Nínú gbogbo àwọn question tó dá sílẹ̀ èwo gan-an ló fẹ́ kí n dáhùn nú ẹ.
Bó ṣe rẹ́rìn wọ́n mọ̀ yìí. From the look of things, enjoy. Aṣẹ́wó ni aṣẹ́wó.
Ọ̀dẹ̀ ni ọ̀dẹ̀ bóyá èmi ni mo kó bá ẹ kọ́ bá ti bẹ̀ gbọ́ gbogbo kìíní ẹ̀ tó ti ní kọ́ bu ẹ̀ dànù.
Wọ́n ló mọ̀ bóyá gist me. Ṣé ilé ẹ̀ make sense? Ṣó tóbi? Ṣó fine?
Well, he tried tábà ní parọ́ ká má bọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́mọ́ra ó try fún èjẹ̀.
Opportunity lè láti switch camera fún mi kí n wo everywhere na kí ló máa ń ṣe give me a tour.
Ojú kòkòrò àbòsí long throat everything ló kó ara kó ṣáà máa mọ nǹkan tó ń lọ why tí mo fẹ́ jẹ́ kó rí nulẹ̀.
Ó yá tán camera ó ti máa dọ́jú ká lè mi máa ti fún ẹ ní gist.
Ó yá tẹ́ ṣáà flip bẹ̀bẹ̀.
Ibi by make sense. Ibo ló ń gan fúnra ẹ wá báyìí.
Well, he just told me to get dressed up that we're, lounging out. But then he told me pé òun fẹ́ lọ gba conjunction, so I'm waiting on him.
Show me, ṣebí kò sí nílé. Why tó máa ṣe báyìí?
Oh, you are stressing me, right? I love you. Okay, starting from here. Yeah. That's it. Let me for you. Yeah. Then let me show you around the house. Of course. So that's the kitchen. That's another room. Of course.
that leads to destruction.
There's another small living room upstairs.
That leads to death.
Oh, like future in-law, eh?
Who they were trying? Good, only good taste.
I told you now, you surely love it.
Oh, boy. Makes sense. She. Oh, why show me less stereo on it? Because my work stereo is my fine. See, we go now if you fine by.
Yes, the exterior is beautiful. But ìgbà tí mo dé, mo notice pé mo ń gbóró ajá. Òun náà dẹ̀ confirm ẹ̀ pé òun ní ó possible kó tètè sílẹ̀ ńgbà tó ń jáde. Ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé mo ní phobia fàjà.
Mo rántí, má worry. So, gist me. Jẹ́ ká sọ̀rọ̀ náà. Ẹ̀fọ́ àti poundo tó ṣe fún yẹn ńkọ́. Báwo wá ni?
Ó love ẹ̀. In fact, ṣe ló ń pọ́n gbogbo owó ìlà tó ń lá plate ẹ̀.
Mo trust ẹ, mo mọ̀ pé ó máa get ẹ. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi ò ti rí love nìyẹn o. Loving taste.
Ṣá bá tọ̀ mí. History about what? About what? Wọ́n mi ò ní jí kọ̀kọ́ fún ẹ Khloe ìwò báyìí kí fún ìjábọ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi ṣọ́ ara ẹ gidi gan ni. Àgbàyà.
What goes around comes around. What is so sure?
Babe, do yàrá yẹn kọ́? Ṣó ti check yàrá yẹn?
This one? This. Khloe, ibi tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ lẹ́wọ̀n ṣoṣo bá òun ló máa ń ṣọ́. Ever since I got to this house, it has just been this room and that's it.
Kí ló máa ń ṣe ẹ́, babe? Mo rò pé ó yẹ kó ti sharp ju gbogbo eléyìí lọ now. You need to check out that room. Mọ̀ bóyá ẹrù obìnrin wà ńbẹ̀. You know these men, they can be funny. Ojúlọ́lá kàn fi ń ṣọ́rí.
Okay. It's so dark in here.
Please, wo bẹ̀ ṣe wá dark báyìí. Yé ṣe slow now. Ìwọ ni kíní tọ́nà. Tiẹ̀ náà là ń bá ẹ ṣe. Ṣé mo ń gbé bí tẹ́lẹ̀ ni? Kiara. Ṣé fún yẹn ti já? Kiara. Tọ́nà náà èwo ni erékeré. Kiara. Ẹ gbà mí. Why is she not picking? Pick up.
Who is there? What's happening? Who hit me? Ta ló wà ńbẹ̀? Hello? What's happening? No way. Brian. What's happening? What have I done wrong? What's going on? Kí ni mo ṣe?
Ibi tí ẹ bá fi ẹlẹ́mọ̀ ṣọ̀ṣọ́, òun ló máa ń ṣọ́.
Wait, no. Don't tell me you're a ritualist. Because how stupid was I to fall in love with a guy I met on the internet? With all the bad news flying all over the social media. But trust me, you'll get Sharon. Peradventure you're successful in this, watch your back. Cause you're sharing your control le kusha.
Oh, kole kusha. I love that.
Brian, what's going on? Try and hear me out now. What's going on? You need to tell me. What have I done? What? I thought you said you love me. I thought you said you love me. What? What have I done wrong? Talk to me now. I thought you said you love me.
I love you so much, my darling. Ṣebí ìwọ ò kì í ṣe ẹran rírọ̀, àbí? Let me kill you,
destruction. I know a road that leads to death.
Ha! Wàhálà. Wàhálà. Kiara. Hey! Mo gbé.
Run away from the bad eye. Run away from the evil eye.
You're not going to die until I pull the trigger on you. Oshimaku, mo fẹ́ kí ikú ẹ kó dùn ẹ́. Ó máa kú díẹ̀díẹ̀ ni. Mo rí pé o fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ I'll let you talk. But let me advise you. Bakbaru. Because to Bakbaru kò sẹ́ni tó máa gbọ́ ẹ. Ibi tí a wà yìí is a reserved area. Everybody minds his or her business. But tó bá lọ stubborn, tó lọ pariwo, I will cut your veins and you will bleed to death.
Why are you doing all this?
This is my game, and nobody questions me. Your talking time has ended.
No, Brian, see, you know what, see, I want to use the convenience. I really want to use the convenience. I want to use it.
But yeah, I'll put it to why not. If you try anything funny, I'm gonna pull the fucking trigger on your head. Right?
Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Ọlọ́run, whatever the case might be, jọ̀ọ́ bá mi kó Kiara yọ. Wait. I hope Brian is not one of those ritualists that gets their victim online. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, Kiara. Yeah. Think. Khloe, think. What can I do?
You have 1 minute more.
I'm coming.
What are you doing in there?
Almost done. Open the door. Open it! Put on the light. The light! Move! Brian!
By now, ó yẹ kó ti mọ̀ pé ajá ẹ̀ ti wọlé tẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ó dẹ̀ dídán lọ kó fi ẹ̀jẹ̀ wẹ̀. You know what? Your karma is here.
Oh, I see. Mr. Avenger, you're here to avenge, right?
Mo rí pé mo sharp gan. Oh, they're smart. But you don't fuck up. You forget to realize, say, me I don't need you for anything. You bastard.
Tanya, who hired you for revenge?
Triple quality expire. Would you have buried that fall? So you are quick to remember Benjamin's face when you saw his picture on the wall, but you forget saying get twin brother. What did they call Ben's?
Oh, is that you?
Yes. Emini. Kennedy, Benson, Cole, and I will avenge for Ben.
You're not gonna do this.
You are a dead meat.
But that was a long time ago.
Long time, I see. Long enough to bring the dead to life. Turn. I said turn! And put your hands behind your back now. Before anybody gets here, you are dead. And the good thing is, money visa to only bring me anywhere in the world. I will travel tomorrow morning. Say your last prayer.
Benson, let's dialogue.
Took almost 14 years. She young, Sha. She really young.
But you, Momo, it wasn't intentional at all.
It wasn't intentional at all. She knows be a mefa. Lokuntaiwo. The first was a mistake. The second was an error. The third, fourth, the fifth, 6 times! Ọ̀nà mẹ́fà ló ti gún Táíwò.
I'm sorry.
Everybody knew he in school. Kiara, Oyewole, the fighter, the SP, school problem, the overpampered child, the rich kid, the bully. What are you sorry about? No, tell me, what are you sorry about? She's sorry if you're joking. I'll be sorry if you're more Taiwo pada asili aye. You know what? Mark by. I'm so sorry for it. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó pa Taiwo tán. Kí ni àwọn òbí ẹ̀ ṣe? Wọ́n tún fi ọwọ́ ọlá fi gbá wa lójú. Because wọ́n lówó. Wọ́n mọ̀yàn. I will more anybody. Right? My parents took you and your family to court. And what did the judge do? Wọ́n tún gbé ẹ̀bi. Wọ́n gbé fọ́lá rẹ̀ ni.
I am still...
At this point, if I gbọ́ anything more, mo fẹ́ gbọ́n kankan. O gbọ́dọ̀ kú ni. Torí ilẹ̀ yìí, o máa jẹ ìwọ náà ni. Ṣòro rántí kan tó ṣe fún mi. Do you remember? Huh? Ṣòro rántí? You bullied me consistently till I lost myself. I lost my self-confidence. I had psychological issues to the point my parents had to move me to another state to get a new life, to find a different environment. And there, I met a new friend. Very, very lovely friend. Ibrahim.
Ibrahim was your friend?
Ibrahim was more than a friend to me. Ibrahim was a brother. I adopted Ibrahim as my twin brother, just to console myself of Taiwo's death. We played and saw for every good day, until one day Ibrahim's parent sent him abroad. Until one day Ibrahim t. Ibrahim will be called. Then I found out that he was dead. I cried. I cried. I almost took my life. Because I was wondering, why is it that everybody talk about this mommy and talk about this show, if you see me and they come so close to me, they eventually die. So what's the problem? You know? I almost took my own life. But at the second thought, I figured that Ibrahim did not die a natural death. He was murdered. It was then I took it upon myself to investigate the killers of Ibrahim. When I found out that Ibrahim died in this country, our country, and I promised myself to avenge Ibrahim's So Naija yìí now cultist ti pa. No, because I studied criminology. But the more nitty-gritty and hardened criminals, I feel think by them no suspect here in Koloko. I ran my internet analysis with my physical underground works. And I found out something that marveled me. I found the killer of.
And the killer is me. Yes. Yes. I killed Ibrahim too. Fuck up me. What the lot is on? Because who price go pay? I'm a fucking queen serpent. No one steps on my tail and goes scot-free. Mo kú fún oró gidigidi gan. Torí pé paramọ́lẹ̀ mi corals. I killed Taiwo. And I killed your best friend too. So what you gonna do about it? I don't fear death. Torí pé mi gangan ni àsárá ìlú. Ikú tó ń pààyàn.
There's something I like about you. You're one of a kind. I realized after your admission into school, what's it about in your 50, in your campus, at the Kakiri. Even to the point you became a machinery to politicians to carry out their dirty works. But you know something? You're very weak when it comes to love. You love to bone and flesh. You're fragile. You're soft. And that's your weakness. So I took it as a weapon to penetrate you. And that's why I wrote to you on the internet, professing love. Love to you. But as God will have it, was about the time you were going through some very, very deep emotional traumas. From the breakup you had with your 10th boyfriend after 4 years. Am I correct? Yes, I'm correct. And shamelessly, just because you love so hard, you agreed to visit me. And I took that. I took the assignment. And you shamelessly fell in love with me. After 6 months. Just 6 months. And you decided to visit. I call the assignment game over. The day after you decided to come over. All right. It was nice doing business with you, my darling. And it is a pleasure to know that you want to Taiwo. No look by Ibrahim. And we fucked. The sex was good. Now, say your last.
Kiara, Benjamin, understandable because you shared it with me. Papa Uniti Ibrahim Tonso Sheje.
Khloe, this is not a time for this. We'll talk about it later. But she see the bastard laying on the floor, unconscious. I want him dead. Mo fẹ́ kó tójú ọrun dójú kú ni.
Okay, no problem. Just go get your stuff, eh? And please, leave no traces, no time.
Thank you so much for coming to my aid. I really appreciate it. Thank you so very much.
Thank your stars. Because Kaniko will send address and say, you might be dead by now.
Now I see the reason why it's so good to tell your loved ones where you're going to.
Okay, babe. Just go get your stuff. Like I said, leave no traces, no time. No time. Oh, yeah.
Okay. No, but please make sure you clear all our pictures. It's important.
No problem. Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Yes, I killed Ibrahim too. Fuck up me. Ó dẹ̀ láti san because who price go pay? I'm a fucking queen serpent. No one steps on my tail and goes scot free. Mo kún fún oró gidigidi gan torí pé paramọ́lẹ̀ mi kọ́rọ̀ sí. I killed Taiwo. And I killed your best friend too. So what you gonna do about it? I don't fear death. Torí pé mi gangan ni àsárá ìlú. Ikú tó ń pààyàn.
Ibrahim. So you want to buy Ibrahim?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, don't fucking deny it.
You and I know that I don't know what you're talking about.
Shut up! Babe, why? Why? After I pleaded with you being in the same sisterhood, I pleaded with you being your 2IC. Mo beg pé kó má pa Ibrahim. Beg pé kó dáríjì. On top waiting now. Because he telling guy, say me no day with you.
Oh, come off it! Shush your mouth, kó gbé gbogbo ẹnu burúkú ẹ dákẹ́. Wọ́n máa ní.
Khloe,
ṣó ti gbàgbé gbogbo ẹ̀mí tó ti tọwọ́ ẹ̀ bọ̀ ni?
Chinedu,
Nancy. Àbí ti àwọn tí ò jẹ́ kó copy answer sheet wọn nínú exam wọn. Abba náà. Má máa ṣe báyìí. Ajá tí ẹ mọ ọmọ ẹ̀ fún lọ́mú. But ó mọ tí ó dọ̀rẹ́ Akeem mọ́lẹ̀. Right? You want to know? Killing Ibrahim gives me so much joy. And for your information, I did the job myself. No wonder, mo ṣàwò náà pé àtìgbà tọ́rọ̀ ẹ̀ ti ṣẹlẹ̀, o ò fẹ́ rí ọkùnrin kankan nínú life ẹ mọ́. Pẹ̀lẹ́ o, Juliet. So true love still exists?
yes, it does exist. Everybody's not a bitch like you.
Oh yeah, it's cool that I am a bitch. Bitch is a boss lady. Oh, mommy now.
And I'll show you that you're a meerkat. With this?
Papa, now you should know better. Tó bá dá ẹ lójú. Tó dá ẹ lójú. Ó lè bá mi ṣeré ọwọ́. Ó fi bọ́ ilé.
It would be nice for me to kill you with my bare hands.
Really?
Yes.
I know a road to the death.